The coronavirus cases in India are far from being over. I mean, the numbers have come down, but the danger still persists. Let's very quickly get you a sense of which are the top 5 states, the worst impacted states as far as the march of the coronavirus in the country is concerned. Just take a look at these numbers that we are putting out for you. Now, Kerala is right at the top with 15,600 cases, and worryingly, the number of recoveries in Kerala are now less than the new cases which are coming in. So more cases are coming in, less people are at this point of time recovering in the state. Now, Maharashtra, 9,558 cases. Tamil Nadu with 3,367 cases is at number 3. Andhra Pradesh with 3,166 cases at number 4. Karnataka is at 2,743 cases at number 5. This is the data which has been collated in the last 24 hours. You saw how Kerala was right at the top when it came to the worst impacted states are concerned. Once Kerala model was being seen as a model of great victory, as a model of hope against the fight in coronavirus. So why is it that the number of cases in the state of Kerala are once again rising? My colleague Gopi with this report.
Till a few months ago, Kerala was hailed for its containment of coronavirus. In the first wave, it had managed to keep the death rate below 0.20%. In the second wave, it managed to keep it below 0.45%. But now, situation isn't all that well. At a time when most states are witnessing a drop in coronavirus cases, Kerala has seen a sudden spurt in its COVID-19 tally. It reported over 15,000 fresh cases in the last 24 hours. That adds to nearly 34% of